Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia and Egypt is that former presidential candidates call for war plan over Ethiopian dam. Viewers, the latest news is that a former presidential candidates in Egypt has called on the government to prepare for a just war against Ethiopia following the failure of negotiations on the Jard dam. It has been reported. Viewers, in a statement on Facebook, Hamdeen Sabahi called for an urgent plan to prepare the people and society for war and ensure national unity. The threat, he said, is that Egypt's share of water from the river Nile may be cut off by the dam. Yours unity, he said, can be consolidated between the people, the army, and the opposition through the immediate release of prisoners of conscience. This will heal internal wounded to face the external threat. Viewers, Sabahi pointed out that after 10 years of failure to negotiate, there are fewer than 80 days left to save Egypt before the second filling of the Jard Dam reservoir. Because it is an exceptional threat for Egypt, the people, and the state. Victory is the only option, there is no alternative. It is said by Sabahi in a statement. Because he used his post to set out his vision for the way forward to confront the crisis head on. Because the path will start with an announcement by the government that there will be no further negotiations unless Ethiopia stop all construction work on the dam. All the commitments burdening Egypt, he suggested, should be revoked by the House of Representatives in Cairo. Yes, then Egypt must bring the matter to the attention of the United Nations Secretary Council and General Assembly in order to hold the international community accountable for the possible genocide of Egyptians and their country, and the subsequent threat to international peace and security. Because the 1902 Anglo-Ethiopian Treaty should remain the basic of Egypt's historical legal standing as a partner in the management of the river Nile and its water, insisted Sabahi. Because the Egyptian people must retain their share of water from the Nile set at a minimum of the 55.5 billion cubic meters as confirmed by the treaty, as well as their country's fair share of the common development projects along the river basin. Whereas more with this in mind, he concluded the partnership of Egypt and Sudan in the permanent management of the Jard Dam is natural and cannot be waived. That, he concluded, also means determining the time frame for filling the reservoirs and the dam's mode be operations. So we were this latest update about Egypt and Ethiopia. Thanks.